So my fans, this video is supposed to make sense if you watch this video to the end. The problem is, say, if you can't see the notification of the video, we all watch small come. You pay attention because I won't break everything down. If you prepare for JAMB or WAEC, you need to pay attention to this one. This question come under what they call oxidation. So if you know sabi redox reaction or this oxidation and reduction, you don't hear that topic before now. Here, so me, I just want to solve this thing. Come on, but I will explain few things we go sabi. They say the oxidation state of chlorine. Now there go pay attention to chlorine. Now, in potassium chlorate, yeah, now they kill people where now yeah, they suffer people. Let me say, if you don't know what be this potassium chlorate, the formula I don't finish. So potassium chlorate, in get in formula to be K for potassium, chlorate. You know, say na chlorine name now in the inside now. Chlorate. If you just place it like this, don't finish. You shock am. So I no go lie for you now. This one be the exact formula for this particular guy. Now they can say wetin be the oxidation number, oxidation state of chlorine inside this one. And you see this formula get chlorine inside. So now chlorine, just like say chlorine na X, now you define. Some people go say, oh yeah, let this chlorine be represented as X. You understand? But me, I will just want like that. Maybe next video I will do another one. But maybe make sure say they don't like this video. You don't like them already. Talk now, don't like them. Don't forget to share them and comment too. That one will come when I don't finish this video. Make you finish them. So now see, as we gonna get KClO₃, you don't finish what? Waiting, this thing I want to tell you, I carry small book, carry right and damn you don't forget them. Waiting be the oxidation state of potassium. Now one. The one they write now just one like that because some people say na minus. So now plus one. Now be oxidation state of potassium. What of chlorine on? We don't know. Now waiting the same fine now. Waiting be the oxidation state of chlorine. So we just say plus. You go to add though plus Cl plus. What of oxygen? Now waiting I want to make you take note again. The oxidation state of oxygen in most states, put them in most states. Now -2. Like for example, for this compound now, the oxidation state of oxygen now -2. The question you will ask me now, what of any other one? Any other one are waiting. Which other one will you know you want the ask now? Which other? But I go shock you. You get the one we call peroxide. The oxidation state of oxygen for peroxide, now be the exception what we get. For peroxide now always -1. Peroxide now, oxide. Now deal with this one. I don't know what that even right. Peroxide. Now all this kind of, if you get plenty peroxide, if you get calcium peroxide like Ca2O2, in this kind of case like this now, the oxidation state of oxygen will see there now -1. So if they say me find for calcium, you go say -1 times 2. You enter because of this subscript 2. If they say na calcium peroxide, the oxidation state of that one now -1 too. Now be the section we get except peroxide, different peroxide fit dey. You understand? But for most states, like this kind of compound we see, this one no be peroxide now. So the oxidation state of oxygen for this kind of state now -2. You don't write them down. Everything don't enter. You sharp. Put them for comment section. Tell me say don't enter. Talk now. I still talk something. You know, you won't weak my moral. I'll put and say you enter. And drop small sweet comment join. Don't forget to. So yeah, now we don't agree say now -2 times this subscript there. Don't forget that one with the equal to it in 0. Remember saying that this guy will define. So what you gonna do? Say +1 plus this chlorine will define. Why will they still add this one? Because we will never clear this bracket. So you know say -2 times 3 will give you -6. Plus times minus, now normally minus, so now -6 go lap here equal to 0. If -6 lap here and it can't give you equal to 0, what's can happen? You see this +1 and -6. You need add them together now because you see say this one are numbers, this one now letter of the alphabet, they just come together. So you no go reason this one, you no go fit add all of them together. Now only these two if you add. Everybody tell me for comment section. Waiting be +1 -6. You can see some people going to give you different answer now. If you want proof to me say it's a be +1 -6 without calculator, tell me for comment section. Type quick now. This one not supposed to take your time. Wait till the answer. Is it? Ma? And they see some people say +5. How? You two they say 7. How does C go give you 7 and +5? -5. And some people I know say I will get them. So +1 minus, if you want to arrange and if you still write this one first, or switch two of them. You come here, maybe you come here. Since again neighbor, I just Cl plus 1 minus 6 equal to 0. So if you do here, say 1 minus 6 will give you minus 5. So Cl now minus 5 equal to 0. Some people go say that the answer. If they lie, it'll be the answer. Or you check option, you say minus 5, you know go see now. Now Cl define. So make Cl the subject of formula. Make Cl stand alone. Some people go say, oh yeah, minus 5, cross go the other side. Which leg way you get to carry cross? Or fly go this which wing way you get to carry fly? Trek. No, just say add 5 to both sides. But if you see that one will add it, just say, oh yeah now, minus 5 cross, it will become plus 5. Therefore, Cl will be equal to plus 5. That means the oxidation state of chlorine for this particular compound now plus 5. So the answer now this particular D. I hope say this particular video helpful. It is helpful to you. If it is helpful, let me know for comment section. No just watch, come out now. Never subscribe, hit the subscribe button. No. If you subscribe finish, turn on that bell icon where they are. When you turn on that bell icon, select all. So that anytime I post video, fiam, you receive notification. Now you will be the first person to receive notification. Don't forget to join our April class. So they bubble now. Short cut, I will run this thing back to back as the word. I hope you enjoy. Peace and love. Now later we go see now.